Hi, my name's Taylor. I run sales at Andover Garden Machinery. I've been selling garden machinery for 8 years now. However, I have realised I have only used a handful of the products that we sell. So, I wanted to use some of the machinery. Today, we'll be looking at the Mitox 28MT, a 5-in-1 25.4cc 2-stroke multi-tool. First, we're going to look at the pole pruner. It has a 10-inch bar and it is adjustable in 7 different positions. This makes it much easier to prune. It also comes with an extension pole, which can be used on the pole pruner or the hedge cutter to give you that little bit extra reach. Next is the hedge cutter attachment. It has a 58cm double-sided blade. It is also adjustable in 11 different positions, great for trimming hedges or even reductions. The multi-tool comes with a split shaft system, which allows you to change attachments easily. Lastly, the strimmer or brush cutter attachment, which you can choose between a blade or a strimmer head, allowing you to tackle grass or even thick brush. It also has a high quality gearbox which delivers reliable power. The machine is easy to start and has instructions on the air filter cover or in the manual. Ensure the switch is in the on position, prime the primer bulb 7 times, flick the choke lever onto choke, pull the cord a few times or until the machine fires, then flick the trigger to release the choke and pull the cord until the machine idles. Overall, I am very impressed in how versatile and comfortable the machine is to use. There is plenty of power for most garden tasks, and being able to save that extra bit of space in the shed is brilliant. I would recommend this to anyone who had a small or large garden with lots of different gardening tasks. Mitox even supply a 3-year warranty with the product, subject to servicing. Thank you for watching this video. You can find this product on our website at andovergardenmachinery.co.uk. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram, or even pop into our store for our best prices.